Hello everyone, Matty here. In this quick video I'll show you how to use the BBC Model B with the MMFS SD card interface. We'll cover the most useful commands you'll actually need, and I'll finish by creating a new virtual disk and saving your very first BBC basic program onto it. To start, let's type the following. And as you can see, we can see the version number, and we can confirm that MMFS is working with the various commands. Okay, after the help, our next command is the dcat command. This will list all the disks available, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of them there. Our next command is to mount a disk. So let's go use the din command. We'll select drive 0, which our SD card is on, and I'm going to choose disk number 2. Next, we want to list all the files on this disk, so let's do a *cat command. And there you go, there's all the files listed. So our next command is to run a program, and as you can see on the screen, there is menu present. So let's chain load menu. And we can now play a game. And there's chess. So another really handy thing to do, if you want to use your BBC for anything, is to create your own disk. So I'm going to access a drive that should be empty, around about 500. Let's list everything in there just to make sure it is empty, and as you can see, it is. It's not even formatted. So the next thing we want to do is create a new disk and format it so we can save our own programs. So start this by doing din 0500, so we're picking a disk out of nowhere. Oh, sorry, 501, because 500's been used there. Now we're in the disk, we'll do a form 80 for the disk format, and we will select 0 for the disk number, for the drive number which we're currently loaded into. As you can see, this is formatting. And it's complete. Next, we want to give this disk a name, so we'll go *title, and I'll call this one my program. So with us in our new disk, let's do a *cat to see that we've formatted correctly. And as you can see, that has worked, and we have our own disk drive now. So the next thing we need to do to make our program, we'll press the break key to enter basic mode. And now we're in basic mode. Now let's create a new file. And we're ready to start coding. So let's create our first classic program and print hello world. So give it a line number, print hello world, enter, and another line number, and we'll say go back to line 10, so this is repeated over and over again. Just to confirm that this works, we can type the run command, and as you can see, it works. So to exit the running program, we can just press escape, and that exits. Next, we want to save our program, so we'll type in this command save hello, like the following, and we can see it. Hopefully, if we do a *cat, we can see it saved, and you can see hello there. Now, I want to show that this fully works, so I've restarted the BBC. So I'm going to do a din 0501, then our disk, *cat. You can see our program there. Now if I do a load hello, we can load our program. If I type in run, we can see it once again running. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this little short tutorial on how to use commands. Thank you very much, and check out my blog to see more commands. Thank you. Bye.